Hello everyone, Sam is from myforexmagicweb.com, making this a small video about pound USD. So let's get started. This is the pound USD monthly chart, and this is my analysis here. This is the big number right now we're dealing with, 3680, and we are right now 3651. So we are basically at this number right here, 3656, let's say. So we are going down a little bit, right? And that's what I was expecting, that we will go down. So I made the chart before I gave it to my subscriber, and hopefully we will go down. Now, what is the reason that we're gonna go down? Pound USD. The reason is that either pound is gonna get very weak or USD is gonna get strong a little bit, right? I made the USD chart the other day, which is, let me show you. This is the one. So my chart on the one I made on 31st January that we were here, we're gonna go up for finishing with 4 here, or maybe here somewhere, 94.01, right? So what happened to this chart so far? We went up a little bit here, right? So I just recorded a little while ago, and it's going up a little bit more to go. USD gonna get it strong, and pound USD will go down a little bit. So and then after that we will see what happens. So now the bigger picture, the higher time frame is one thing, but you have to have a system to make an entry. For example, if I show you what happened to USD yesterday, pound USD. So let me show you this chart here. A pound USD. Look, this is the one. Pound USD, right? Beautiful entry here. This is my Magic ID system entry setup. Yellow is below the black, the thin black, and then blue candle turns red while this indicates all the way up, and the price is making higher low. Lower high. So there are a few conditions. Once they're met, I pull the trigger, right? So this is the trade. Similar setup. You can see that this is pound nosy, the same thing here. And again, this one is Euro nosy, same setup here again, right? So this is a setup, the system that gives you so many entries. If you miss this one, you could have taken this one, this one, this one, right? And but I was in from all the way up here, and down. Now my current entry is this. Let me show it to you. Where's my current entry? Is right here. See that? All right. So this was the one I just showed you. It was from yesterday, and right now current is this. It's going down, nice and clean. Same setup. Yellow is still below the black, and this indicator went all the way up, and price start, blue candle turning to red. Reversal candle, one red candle, and I open the trade, right? And I'm sitting right now maybe 6 or 7 pip risk. If it goes up, hit my SL, who cares? I'll find another entry. I have other pairs, other entries, other trades going on. For example, if I can show you here. So this system gives a lot of entries, and it's a different. For example, here you can see this one here, right? So again, I'm sitting on 6, 7 pip risk, and it went down here, it went up, and right here. So I'm still positive, right? So let's see what happened to this one, and some other entries like that. But the setup is the same. That's the key. You have to have the setup. I have my long-term analysis on every single pair, but the idea is that you have to have a strong system that can reduce the risk of taking a wrong trade, first of all. And even if you are wrong, very, very little loss, right? 6, 7, within 10 pips. So sometimes not even that, because the price moves in your direction first. You come and sit on break even, and if it comes back and hit the SL, you don't lose anything. So that's how the system is. Again, so pound USD mainly, it's a big setup here. Okay, if it's gonna drop, it's gonna drop big time, because like I said, I just showed you that Thursday we have red news, several red news for pound, and then comes Friday we have NFP. right? And that can really shake the market. Right? And January, the volume come back usually. So, well, January is actually gone, right? So now we are into February. So this is the very high volume time, right? So this is it for now. Be ready, and if we start dropping, then like I said, that watch out this number 35.14 first, and then I got the entry and I got in, but you might have different setup or different system, different way to get in. So just pay attention to these numbers. That's it. One by one, we're gonna go down. But just in case the news comes out the other way and then we start going to the upside, then be aware that we're gonna go up 40 to 29 and then 43.76, right? And after that, we will see. We might go to this number, or this number, or this number. Right? This is the low. This is the low. This is the high. So the price is always doing going from one number to another, either weekly number or monthly number. Monthly number is also a weekly number, right? So that's how it is. All right. So this is it for now, and I'm gonna close it now and talk to you guys later.